Hello and welcome to Home Decor Hall, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. If you have any query, please mention it at comment section. In this video, you shall see shipping container homes design. For more ideas, please click I button link above the video screen. If you are new to my channel, subscribe for regular updates. Container home is a home made from the steel shipping containers. It is also called shipping container homes. Crate house
of
or
materials
cargo
is
container
considered
homes,
as an essential value
reusing and
in recycling.
sustainable design. From the reuse of paper to reusing shipping containers, various attempts have been made to explore the possibility of creating even large buildings. Keeping this concept in mind, the increase of the application has led to the emergence of a new architecture type called container architecture. Shipping container architecture is generally characterized by the reuse of steel shipping containers, which is primarily a structural element and architectural involved that can host a specific function or a human activity too. Since most container houses are smaller than the standard homes, less land is required to build a container home. The reduction of the building footprint means less uses of resources, hence good for the environment. There are millions of shipping
I believe
containers which
this
are
video
not
will
in
help
use.
you to get better
Reusing
ideas to
items
design
as
your
homes
new
will
house
not
with
only
shipping
save our
container.
resource,
For latest
our
updates,
space
subscribe
but
to our
also
channel.
a lot
Thanks
of
for
energy.
watching.
If these containers are not reused, a great amount of energy and resource would be wasted otherwise in melting them down.